Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. As you know, I am bringing new project in which you can invest and get profit. So today I am bringing a new amazing project. Its name is MBXAU. Guys, this amazing project. In this video, I am going to share each and everything about this project. So guys, before waste our time, I am starting the video. MBXAU, the world first real acid tokenomics that generates gold drops. And as you can scroll down and see this, the tokenomics platform help holders leverage the physical gold and earn multi-yield. You can check here, early adopter is live now. You can see this 167 days, 23 hours, 39 minutes remaining. You can check here early adopter time lapse. You can check here first early adapter. You can check here soft cap revise. You can see this next guy. You can check here total token sold weekly. You can check here first early adopter soft cap reward. You can check here. So guys, you can purchase MBXAU now. Then you can click here and see this page is loading. It's take time. Then you can see this page is open now. So guys, you can see the if you want to purchase MBXAU, so first of all you can log in or sign up account. So if you have already account, then you can log in now. You can enter your user email, then you can enter your password, then you can log in now. If you have no account, then you can click the sign up button and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here. You can enter your reference username, enter your phone number, enter your email address, then you can select country. Then guys, you can see you can enter your password, then you can enter your confirm password, then you can sign up now. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can see you can start trade to MBXAU. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. It's take time. Then you can see this page is open now. Guys, you can see this DEX view page is open. Guys, you can start trading MBXAU in DEX view. You can check here MBXAU price chart. You can see this price up and down. You can get huge profit now. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. Then you can start trading now. You can check here all histories about this project, MBXAU buyers, sellers, retail. You can check here. And next guys, we back to the home page. And next guys, you can see this more detail about this project. You can see this metal bank technology team aim to create a robust and transparent ecosystem that bridges the gap between traditional finance and the burgeoning world of cryptocurrencies. So then the metal bank innovative founders created a breakthrough physical gold tokenized model named Metal Bank X. AU is equal to gold. MBXAU, a new era of tokenomics model. X is meaning of a collaboration. Metal bank token in collaboration with allocated collateralized physical gold. And next you can scroll down and see this MBXAU presents a groundbreaking fusion of physical gold pledging and decentralized finance through the creation of a crypto token ecosystem. MBXAU strives to bridge the gap between traditional gold-based financial instruments and the transformative power of blockchain plus AI technology to create inclusive and fairness multilateralism into the millennium monetary and economic ecosystem. And next you can check here, you can play this video about this project MBXAU. You can play this video on YouTube and watch this video completely. And next you can check here a picture about this project, the Metal Bank X. You can check here. And next you can scroll down and see this, what is MBXAU token. We built blockchain plus AI technology to bridge real precious assets with tokenized of digital asset bridging platform. MBXAU tokenomics emerges as a pioneering project that leverages and bridging the inherent value and stability of physical gold to create a digital assets ecosystem that is secure, transparent, and accessible to all. And as you can see, this B crowd consensus. By integrating gold paying and financing services with crypto tokenization, MBXAU tokenomics aims to unlock liquidity, foster financial inclusion, and democratize access to valuable assets in digital realm. And as you can see, the C fairness reward mechanisms. Holders of MBXAU tokens may benefit from transaction fees, stacking rewards, and other incentives built into the Metal Bank X bridging platform. And next you can see this D integrated platform. Metal Bank X bridging platform is fully integrated with the regulated national and global community exchanges. You can check here RTA. Next you can see this E backed by real precious assets. MBXU tokenomics is token backed by real physical allocated gold bars as the collateralized assets and stored at the custodian wallet supervised by the government agency. Next you can see F multiple rewards. MBXU token is able to create multiple earnings such as gain in market value or lifetime periodically return for the token holder. You can check here RTail. And next you can see this Y hold MBXU token. Discretion on your hands. MBXU token built into Metal Bank X bridging platform becomes your multi-earning engine. You can check out it. And next you can see the lifetime multiple earnings, holders rewards earned from the empowering and financing services of pledged gold bars in community exchanges. You can check here. Next you can see seed grade, secure and custodial, security and risk mitigation. You can check here RTail. And next you can scroll down and see this minimum target price 2025. 1 MBXAU price equal to 0.0001 Ethereum. 1 MBXAU price equal to 0.000005 BTC. So guys, you can start trade now in DEX view. And next you can check here 80% management allocation, 20% engagement allocation. You can check here market making 25%, physical gold management 75%. You can check here. And next you can check here MBXAU tokenomics. MBXAU token details and sales. Join our milestone journey. You can check here token issued, Metal Bank Gold monetary total maximum supply. You can check here number of tokens issued. You can check here blockchain platform Ethereum ERC20, offering price, click on purchase, trade, swap or buy now, price policy, IO price plus reward for direct purchase or hold now, exchange platform CX and DX, bridging platform, blockchain plus AI technology, holder rewards, gold drops, burn event, timeline based on market capitalization, IO period, first and second early adopter holder July to December 2034. So guys, you can hold now. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. It take time. Then you can see this page is open now. So guys, first of all you can register your account, then you can hold now and now see back to the home page and see this more detail about this project. You can check here early adopter June 9 2024, early adopter ended July 31 2025, acceptable currency Ethereum, BTC, USDT. You can check here first round token supply. You can check here token exchange rate. Target 1 Ethereum is equal to 1000 MBXAU 2026. Minimal transaction 1000 tokens and transactions. And next you can scroll down and see this June 9 September 30 2024, first early adopters 30% reward, October 1 to December 31 2024, second early adopter 25% reward. You can check here. And next you can see January 1 to March 31 2025, third early adopters 20% reward. You can check here April to May 31 2025, fourth early adopter 50% rewards, January 1 to July 31 2024, last early adopters 10% reward. Price target you can check here $0.03. And next you can check here the price target $0.01, price target $0.008, price target $0.001. You can check here. And next you can scroll down and see this roadmap of this project, our strategy and project plan. July 2023, concept genesis modeling team selected. January 2024, research concept generation team assemble. May 2024, genesis token ecosystem genesis. June 2024, token birth, token listed on DX July 2024, first early adopter, vesting period start, holders on group. And next guys, you can scroll down and see this July 2025 Metal Bank X Alpha ecosystem generated exchange assembled. July 2025 early adopter and market expansion exchange assembled. January 2025 Metal Bank and X Beta ecosystem generation listed on DEX and CX. December 2024 early adopter vesting period ended, holder assemble. And next guys, you can see the July 2025 Metal Bank X launch. You can check here July 2025 ecosystem generator, August 2025 first ROI distribution, November 2025 second ROI distribution. You can check here all detail. February 2026 third ROI distributions, May 2026 next ROI distribution. Guys, you can read carefully all detail about this project roadmap. And next guys, you can scroll down and see this another video about this project. So guys, you can play this video on YouTube and watch this video. Metal Bank X project, bridging platform, blockchain plus AI technology to bridge real asset with the world of digital asset. And next guys, you can scroll down and see this white paper, read our documents. Here is our full document that helps you to understand deeply about the business model. You can check your white paper, token sale, legal terms, one pager, privacy policy, tokenomics management, terms of token sale. So guys, you can download this white paper about this project MBXAU. So guys, you can download white paper. So guys, you can click this and see this page is loading. It take time. Then you can see this page is open now. Guys, you can check here MBXAU white paper PDF open. You can check here detail. You can see this abstract detail. You can check here introduction about this project. And next guys, you can see this overview of Metal Bank X. You can see this tokenomics. You can check here tokenization process. You can see this. Next guys, you can see this financing and paving process. You can check here security, editing and custodianship. You can check here detail, use cases and applications, token utility and benefits, generating returns for token holders, interest from gold paving, number 2 interest from gold finance, number 3 lifetime token holder returns, number 4 token paving services. You can check here you can read carefully. And next you can see this tokenomics, transparency and governance, conclusion detail. You can check here legal justification, disclaimer detail. You can check here footnote. You can see this all is the white paper. And next back to the home page. And next you can see this more detail. You can check here. You can see this network, ecosystem collaborator. You can see this network, community exchange, clearing house, digital ecosystem. And you can check here Sharia. You can see this all is the ecosystem collaborator network. And next you can see this the ecosystem powered by custodian system, market system. You can check here. And next you can scroll down and see this frequently asked question: what is ICO and IO token? What is MBXAU tokenomics? Can crypto be used for purchase? How can I participate in the ICO and IO token sale? How do I benefit from the ICO and IO token? You can check here. And next you can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram. You can contact us, email @mbxu.org. You can check here contact number. You can see the official WhatsApp number. You can check here. So we go to this project Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can see this MBXAU tokenomics official Telegram group chat community is open. You can join this group and get information about this project. You can check here 47 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. And next back to the home page. And next guys, you can see this. You can enter your first name, then you can enter your last name, enter your email, enter your phone number, then you can enter your message, then you can submit your message now. And next guys, you can see always be connected, stay updated. And next we back to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can see this MBXAU official Twitter page is open. You can follow this and get information about this project. You can scroll down and see this all posts. You can like and comment this post. And next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.